Okay, so I have to think of a hook. So I could start with a question. I could start with an exclamation. I could start with an onomatopoeia, or I could start with an amazing fact. I don't think I know any amazing facts about the beach. A question. Okay. I'll start with a question. Maybe I'll remember my idea later and I'll be able to change it when I do my revising editing. Okay. What could be better than lounging on a beach and hearing the music of the waves? Okay. Oops, I forgot to skip every other line. Okay. So there is my hook. Ladies and gentlemen, what do I include in my thesis statement or my topic sentence? Do I have to come up with something new? No. Okay, think real hard. What do I include in my thesis statement? Who can tell me? Give you a hint, it's on my brainstorming. Gabe? My 3 main ideas. I do not have to come up with anything new for my thesis statement. I simply include my 3 main ideas: relaxing, fun ideas, and sand. Didn't I already put 1 main idea in my hook? Okay, now I can repeat that, but I need to be careful that I don't repeat the same word, lounging. Okay, go ahead and put your pencil down, sir. All right, so, let's see here. I have fun activities and sand. Okay, so since I already included 1 main idea right here, I'm going to put, in addition. Okay, that just means added to it. Okay, what should I put next? I have fun activities and sand I need to write about. Who would like to tell me a sentence? Flew out of your head, Shannon? Okay, this is just a rough draft. I'm not expecting a stupendous sentence, because what do we do when we're done with our rough draft? We go through and revise and edit. So I just need to get it down. Leona, tell me. Okay, in addition, a sand castle. Oh, that's not a complete sentence. I'm not going to talk about sand castles yet, because sand castles is one of my details. Okay, I saw this happen a lot in a lot of papers. Do we put details in our introduction? No, everybody shake your head this way. So if it is down here, we don't put it in our introduction. The only thing we want to put in our introduction is fun activities, sand, and relaxing. Okay? Okay. In addition, I'm going to put in addition to relaxing. This is my thesis statement. Okay, somebody tell me, get fun activities and sand in here. Shannon?
Fun activity is very relaxing.
Okay, we need fun activity and sand in there. Shamir?
When we build sandcastles.
No. Remember, the main idea is not just sand castles. Okay, the main idea is the sand, playing in the sand. Okay, I said we didn't want to include any details. It's okay. You're thinking, okay, I appreciate you raising your hand and trying, because this is not easy stuff. Like I said, Miss Raymond struggled with introductions and conclusions until I was in college, ladies and gentlemen. Not easy stuff. Marcus?
We have fun playing in the sand.
We have fun playing in the sand. We have, let me skip a line. Have fun playing in the sand. And we got to include everything in our thesis statement. Okay, so we included relaxing, we included sand, we need to include fun activities. Laitland? And I'm not going to put we also because I already put we here. Okay, and I already put in addition. Okay, because also and in addition mean kind of the same thing. So we don't want to be repetitive. In addition to relaxing, we have fun playing in the sand and have fun doing activities. Like I said, this is a rough draft. I just need to get my 3 main ideas into a sentence. Any details, ladies and gentlemen?
No.
No, I have my 3 main ideas. This is my thesis statement or my topic sentence. Same. Okay, I have relaxing, I have sand, I have fun activities. Okay, that is it for your introduction for now. Now, really, a paragraph is supposed to be 3 sentences, isn't it? Okay, but in 4th grade, I'm not requiring you to do 3 sentences for your introduction. Sometimes your introduction will end up being 3 sentences, but what I want to see is a hook and a thesis statement. Okay, now on to our conclusion. Oh, let's do some fun stuff. So fun. You guys are going to be so excited. I keep forgetting to type these up and put them in our classroom, but they are posted here online. Okay, so if you go to class information and syllabus in every single class, there's this anchor charts, and I have all the anchor charts, pictures of all the anchor charts that I use in the class or have done. So this is a really great resource for you because this kind of sums up our most important learning. And you see here, I have this is actually hanging in Ms. Campbell's room, and I'm going to make one and put it in our room. Terrific endings. Most of all, as I have said, after all is said and done, as I look back on, it's certainly true that the lesson I learned was, there's no doubt about it. There's no question that. Just remember, I hope you'll agree that. Do I need to use those? No, this one sounds like almost like a persuasive paper, doesn't it? Like you're trying to persuade somebody. Okay. Don't be surprised if, oh, we recognize that one from Miss Campbell's writing, don't we? For now, amazing as it might seem, I'm the luckiest kid in the world because, okay, I don't think Miss Raymond's going to use that one. Let me go back up to the top. Most of all, as I have said, after all is said and done, as I look back on, can anybody tell me what they think I should use here? Don't be surprised if. Okay. Laitland, what do you think? There's no wrong answer. Okay. Okay, as I have said, good. You could do that. There's a lot of fun stuff to do. Okay, don't be surprised if. I like both of those. Okay. I'm going to go with the first one they gave me. He said, don't be surprised if. And what shouldn't you be surprised if? Sir, no noise. Don't be surprised if you see me relaxing. Thank you, Shannon. Relaxing on the beach. And I'd probably do it this summer, right? I'm not going to do that in the winter. Okay. So, oops, I forgot to switch back. So sorry. Okay, there we go. Don't be surprised if you see me relaxing on the beach this summer. Comma, I'm going to put a comma, or playing in the sand. Whoops, not sad. It's not sad at the beach. Sand. Okay. playing in the sand. Okay, I'm going to move this down here. So it reads, don't be surprised if you see me relaxing on the beach or playing in the sand this summer. We'll put this summer last. Okay. So look, I already did some revising and editing. Okay, now I have one more. When you write your conclusion, you should again include all three main ideas. So I did relaxing, I did sand. Now I need to include my fun activities. So can somebody give me a concluding sentence about fun activities at the beach?
Like building a sandcastle.
Okay, yes, this is our conclusion. So we want to make sure not to have any details. Okay. It is fun to do at the beach. So fun activities, remember these are different things than playing in the sand. I said collecting seashells, parasailing, the wave runner, watching crabs and other live critters, but we don't want those details in here. I just need a sentence about fun activities. Majesty? No, I don't want a fun activity. I just need a sentence that says fun activities in it. Fun activities at the beach. Michael? Great, you can give me a sentence about fun activities at the beach?
Like to dig people under.
Okay, that's a detail. Don't let your details sneak into your conclusions. Okay, I just need a sentence about, let me start you out here because it's, like I said, this is not easy, ladies and gentlemen. Marcus, you got one? Go ahead. Oh, darn it, I'm sorry. Shamir? Your mom and you what? Okay. It's more than just, so I'm gonna just put we. We do so many fun, yep, I'm always doing that, activities at the beach. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm going to put an exclamation point. Now I am going to go through, often when I revise and edit, I like to use a different color, colored pencil, something like that. Okay, so that helps a lot. I am going to underline this and I'm going to say, I'm going to just make a little note to myself. So when I do my revising and editing, because I already said fun activities a couple times, didn't I? So I'm going to see if I can rephrase that a little more interesting. Okay, again, this is only 2 sentences. For right now, for our introductions and conclusions, that's okay. If you have more than that, that's fine. But do we put details in our introductions and conclusions? No, kick those details out. Keep it very general. Okay, notice in my conclusion, I have my 3 main ideas again. Sand, relaxing, and fun activities. Okay, that's it. It's simple. Don't make it complicated. Introductions and conclusions are short, sweet, and to the point. All right, so what I want you to do now is go ahead and get your journals out, and you're going to do like Miss Raymond. You're going to write your introduction with a hook and your thesis statement, and then your conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm asking you to write 4 sentences.